Good morning to everyone. Here in the previous video we had already completed question number 1 to 6, isn't it? In this video we are going to do question number 7 to question number 11. So what does the question number 7 is says? Question number 7 is not on the screen, but you have to see from the book. So here it is said that number of tiles is given 3000, okay, and the shape of the floor is in the form of a rhombus. So the diagonal D1 is 45 and D2 is 30 centimeter is given. Now in that question number 7 you have to find the total cost of polishing the floor if the rate of polishing the 1 meter square floor is rupees 45. That means here what you have to do, you have to find the area of the floor which is in the form of rhombus. With that area, that means area of the rhombus will be multiplied with the number of tiles, and whatever the result you will get, that value you have to multiply it with the cost 4. Clear? Now question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, that means height, find the length of the side along the river. Here you have to find, in this question you have to find the length of the opposite sides of the river. Okay, question number 9. In this question number 9 it is said that to find the area of the octagonal surface, area of the octagonal surface is given. Okay, one of the side of octagon, as we know that every side of any polygon is equal. So here if one side of the octagon is given as 5 centimeter, that means every side of the octagonal, 8 side we are having in the octagon, isn't it? So every side is having 5 meter as its length. Okay, then by using that we have to find question number 9, area of the octagon surface. In question number 10 it is said that Jyoti and Kavita, two persons are there. Okay, a pentagonal park is there. In that pentagonal park, Jyoti is going to find the area of the park by using its own diagram, as well as Kavita is also using another diagram to find its area. We have to see that whether both of the diagrams area will be equal or not, as well as you have to suggest some other way to find its area. So let me very clear to students that yes, of course you can find some other way or a diagram to find its area. That we are not going to do. We are only going to solve the main part of the question in this 10th question. Clear? Now 11th question. In the 11th question a diagram is given. Okay, that diagram outer dimension and inner dimension is given in the question. Using the outer dimension and the inner dimensions of the figure, we have to find the area of each sections. As well as in question number 11 it is said that the width that means breadth of outer and inner dimension is equal, is same. Dimension, that means length and breadth. Okay, so let's see one by one the solutions. So question number 7. Here is the solution for question number 7. As I told you that number of tiles is 3000. Okay, and the floor is in the shape of a rhombus. Diagonal D1 is 45 centimeter and diagonal D2 is 30 centimeter. So what you have to find here? You have to find the area of the rhombus. Okay, so what is the formula for area of the rhombus? That is half into D1 into D2. So half into 45 into 30. Okay, so it will 30 and 2 will get cancelled by the table of 2 itself. So what is left? 45 centimeter into 15 centimeter will be left out, isn't it? Here the two numbers will get cancelled. This will be one time get cancelled. It will be 15 time get cancelled. So 45 into 15 will be 675 centimeter square. Okay. Now number of tiles is 3000, isn't it? Number of tiles is already given 3000. So area of the floor, where the floor shape is in the shape of a rhombus, isn't it? So in order to find the area of the floor, number of tiles will be multiplied with the area of the rhombus. So that's why area of the floor is equals to number of tiles into area of the rhombus. So what is number of tiles we are having? That is 3000 into area of the floor, rhombus is 675. Multiplying both the number, how much we will get? 20,25,000 centimeter square. Okay, but remember student that cost is given in the form of meter square. Whatever the values we had finded here, that values is in the form of centimeter square. We have to convert it into meter square. In order to convert it into a meter square, what you have to do? You have to divide it by 100 into 100, since it is talking about meter square. That's why. Okay, now as the cost of polishing 1 meter square floor is rupees 4, that means total area of the floor is how much? This much, isn't it? Now it is in the form of centimeter square, it is in the form of meter square. In order to convert it into form in the same way, what you have to do? In the same, that means centimeter, what you have to do? You have to multiply, divide it by 100 into 100. So then only we can apply it, isn't it? So area of the floor upon 100 into 100 into 4 we will do. So 1, 2, 3 zeros from the numerator and denominator will be get cancelled. What is the number left out? 20, 25 into 4 upon 10. Now cancel it by the table, isn't it? So it will be get cancelled. Now multiply by 2, it will be 0, 1 carry, so 4, 5, 0, 4 will be divided by 5. You will get the required answer while dividing it, 810. So the total cost of polishing the floor is rupees 810. Okay, so in this way you have to find. Now question number 8. In question number 8, it is said that to find the length of the side of river. So area of that field is given as 10,500 meter square. Height is given 100 meter. One of the parallel side is, we will consider this parallel side of value is only we have to find. This is the shape of the river. Height, here height, that is 100 meter is given. The total area of the field is given as 10,500 meter square. Now the value of the parallel side, this is the parallel side of the trapezium. So this we have to find. So first of the side we will consider as x, and the second parallel side we will consider as twice of first side, that means 2x. Clear? So let one parallel side be x, other parallel side will be twice of the first side, that will be 2x. Okay, now what is the formula for area of the trapezium? Is half into a plus b into h. This is the formula, isn't it? Now area we are already having this much, 10,500. Half into a value is first parallel side is x, second parallel side is 2x. So x plus 2x will be how much? 3x. And from half and this 100 will be get cancelled by the table of 2. How many times? This will be 1 time and this 100 will be 50 times. So 3x into 50, it will be 150x meter square. Okay. Now this 150 will be goes in the denominator of 10,500 to find the value of x, isn't it? So 10,500 will be 150, isn't it? Is equals to x. Zeros will be get cancelled. So 1050 will be divided by 15 to get the answer as 17 value. So what is the first parallel side value is? That is 70. Okay, now what is the value of second parallel side we had considered? That is 2x. So 2 will be multiplied with 70 to get the value of the second parallel side, that is 140 meter. Clear? Thus the length of one parallel side is 70 and the other parallel side length is 140. Clear everyone? Now ninth question. In the ninth question, the diagram is given in the shape of an octagonal. Okay, one of the side of an octagon is 5 centimeter. That means all the 8 side will be 5 centimeter. So I had given the name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H to the name of the octagon. Now here it is asked to find the total area of this octagon. Now since the base from, that means here the value from C to H and D to G, it is given 11, okay, 11 meter, and one of the height is given as 4 meter, as well as the side everywhere it will be 5. Clear? So if we are going to split this figure, if the octagon is going to be split, it will be splitted in the form of, first will be in the form of trapezium, second is in the form of a rectangle, and third will again in the form of a trapezium. Okay, so in this way the three part of this octagon is splitted into the three part. So all these three part individually we have to find the area. Okay, so height of the trapezium is given as 4 meter, one of the parallel side is 11 meter, second parallel side is 5 meter. Clear? Then it can be easily find the first trapezium, area of the first trapezium, that is half into A plus B into H. That will be A value is 11, B value is 5. So 11 plus 5 is how much? It will be 16, isn't it? And 2 will be divided by 4, it will be 2. So 2 into 16 will be 32 meter square. Similarly, as it is an octagon, that means the second trapezium is also having the same measurement. Height and its parallel side will be remain same. So area of the second trapezium will be same as the first trapezium, that is 32 meter square. Now the middle part is left, isn't it? That is area of the rectangle CDGH. Length of the rectangle in the figure it is 11, breadth is 5. So 11 into 5 is 55 meter square. Now we had individually finded all the three parts diagram area. Now what is asked in the question? It is asked in the question to find the total area of the octagonal surface. So all the three figures area will be going to be added, that is area of the first trapezium plus area of the second trapezium plus area of the rectangle, that is 32 meter square plus 32 meter square plus 55 meter square, it will be 119 meter square. So the total area of the octagonal surface is 119 meter square. So in this way you have to solve this question. Okay, once you go through the questions, you will practice with your own, then only it will be easy for you. So dear students, try to practice all the questions. Okay, then only you can easily solve. Now question number 10, here Jyoti and Kavita, two persons are there, isn't it? So Jyoti and Kavita, two persons are there, and one pentagonal shape park is there. Then Jyoti and Kavita, what they did, they are going to draw the pentagonal park in two different way, and they had finded the area in two different way. Now in the question it is asked that whether the area of the pentagonal shape formed by Jyoti and Kavita are same or not. And also it is said in the question that can you suggest some other way. So for that, yes, of course we can find the area of the park by other way, but here in this question we are not going to find, we are going to solve the main part of the question. Okay, so area of the pentagonal park is equals to 2 into area of the trapezium ABEF. So the name of the figure is given by me. Okay, you can also change the name or can give the name according to your wish. So 2 into half into A plus B is equal into H. Area of the trapezium formula is half into A plus B into H, isn't it? Substituting the value from the figure the values are already given. A value, two parallel side, one parallel side is 15, other parallel side is 30, and height is 15 by 2. Solving this question, you will get the answer as 337.5 meter square. Okay, so in the same way, this is the area of the Jyoti. Now we are going to find the area drawn by the Kavita. So look the figure for the Kavita. It's a little bit different. Okay. So area of the pentagon park is equals to what the area did what the area drawn by Kavita is. It is drawn in the shape of a rectangle, as well as it is one of the shape is in the form of a triangle. But what Jyoti did, she drawn in the shape of a trapezium. Okay, she drawn the diagram in the shape of a trapezium. But what Kavita did, she drawn the diagram in the shape of a triangle, as well as in the shape of a rectangle. So both the areas we have to find, and then we have to add it. Okay, so area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle. So formula is area of the rectangle formula is L into B, plus area of the triangle formula is half into B into H. Okay, substituting the values, as values is already given in the question, so from that only we are going to use. So length and breadth is 15 15, so 15 into 15, that is 225, plus half into base and height value is also same as 15 15. So 215 by 2, when it will be divided, it will be 112.5. Now 112.5 will be added with 225 meter square. The answer will be 337.5 meter square. Dear students, the area of the pentagonal park for Kavita is same as the area of the pentagonal park formed by Jyoti. That means both the area of these two girls are same. Okay, here the value of the value 337.5 meter, and Kavita also find it with the same as 337.5 meter square. Thus the area of both the figure is same. Okay, so here both the areas are same. Clear everyone? The second part of the question, that can you suggest some other method, that we are not doing over here. Now the last question of this exercise is diagram of the adjacent figure. That means inner and outer dimensions is given 24 centimeter into 28, and inner dimension 16 centimeter into 20 centimeter. You have to do what you have to do. You have to find the area of each section. That means inner section and outer sections area you have to find. The condition here, it is that says that width, that means breadth, is same. So how to find the breadth? The name is being given by me. Okay, you can change the name by using the other alphabets also. So width is equals to AB minus PQ upon 2. So AB value is given as 24 centimeter. PQ value is given as 16. So 24 minus 16, it will be how much? It will be 8. When it will be divided by 2, it will be 4. Why it is divided by 2? Because width is here, width is considered as the diameter. So we have to, it will be divided by 2. Okay, width is equals to AB minus PQ upon 2. So 24 minus 16 upon 2, that will be 8 divided by 2 is 4 centimeter. So what is the width we had found here? That is 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter is same as width is same for both the sections. Okay, so area of the section AB QP is equals to area of the section DCRS. Both the areas are same. So only one formula is applicable, that is half into A plus B into H, where A value is 24, B value is 16, H value is 4. So the answer will be 80 centimeter square. Okay, in the same way, area of the section APSD is equals to area of the section CBQR. Formula will be same, half into A plus B into H, where A value is 28, B value is 20, H value is 4. Calculating the answer, we will get the area as 96 centimeter square. Thus we had finded the area of each section as 80 centimeter square and 96 centimeter square respectively. So dear students, here's our exercise 11.5 is 11.2 is over. We had completed our exercise 11.2. In the next video we will going to see the new exercise, that is 11.3. okay, in that some new formulas will be going to be used. So please memorize the formula and study those formulas, so that it will be easy for you to solve and understood. Okay, Whatever the doubts you people are asking, please ask me through my WhatsApp number. Thank you everyone.